Hello, my name is Lady Viviana Murillo. I'm from Florencia, Paquita. I am 27 years old. I study business administration in UNA in Selhat. I live in Bogota City. I am married with John Pedreros. He is my husband. I have a son. His name is Juan Sebastián Pedreros. Juan Sebastián is 3 years old. I work in Externado University as a secretary in the International FI Office. Last vacation, I went to Santa Marta, Colombia. It's a beautiful place. I stayed there for 4 days with my husband and my son. They are part of important of my life. You are my life. I like it because this was cheap. I just paid 8,000 for each night at the hotel. I like it because there are a lot of places, the aquarium and the white beach. I like a lot. The weather in Santa Marta is extremely sunny. In the morning is very sunny, but in the night is cold breeze. Recommendation in Santa Marta is people use sunblock and gloves. Also, it's necessary drink water to hydrate at 2 times. It's better that people visit Santa Marta aquarium. It's a place beautiful. It's recommended that people use a life jacket of the sea. The beach of Santa Marta is a warm place to breathe. Hate the sun. What people should do, like chilling alone on the beach, because most people should go on the scenic because it's dangerous.
Excuse me, Bibi, but I need to say.
People should visit the Santa Marta, eat with fish and yuca, and look the shore dolphins. Thank you.